Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question on triangles. As you can see, our today's question is a quantitative comparison question wherein we are given a triangle with side lengths P, Q and R. Next, we are given two quantities A and B such that quantity A is equal to R while quantity B is equal to P plus Q minus 1. Next, we are asked to determine if A is greater than B, that is option 1, or if B is greater than A, that is option 2, or if A is equal to B, that is option 3, or if the relationship between A and B cannot be determined from the given information, that is option 4. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 4. That is, the relationship cannot be determined from the given information. Now, let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So, it is given to us that there is a triangle with side lengths P, Q and R. Now, we know that the sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Hence, for a fact, P plus Q is greater than R. Now, this question involves three variables P, Q and R. So, let us assign values to these variables and check which of the conditions holds true for the different cases. So, let us assume for case 1 that P has a value of 5, Q as 4 and R as 2. Hence, in this case, quantity A will be equal to R, that is 2, and quantity B will be equal to 5 plus 4 minus 1, that is 8. Hence, in case 1, A is equal to 2 and B equals to 8, and thus B is greater than A. Thus, after case 1, we can safely eliminate options 1 and 3. Next, for the next case, that is case 2, let us assume P and Q again as 5 and 4, while R as 8. In this case, we see that A is equal to 8, while B is equal to 5 plus 4 minus 1, that is 8 again. Hence, in case 2, A is equal to B. Hence, after case 2, we can eliminate option 2 as well, since we know that it fails in case 2, thus giving us option 4, that is, the relationship cannot be determined from the given information, as the correct answer. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.